Yo, what is up everyone? Buzzy back here. Today, let's learn how to make an event countdown timer. Now, a huge shout out to Boxrum, one of our lead creators, for actually just making this model and scripting it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk through you guys on what he created and how he scripted it. So first and foremost is we have a folder called billboards, and inside of this we have our timer model as well as our just billboard for an offline slash live image label part. Now, inside of our first model, which is just labeled timer 1, we have two parts, our primary and secondary. The primary is just, the honeycomb yellow part that you guys see, and the secondary part is the dark orange part that we will be adding a surface GUI in, and 3 text labels, the description, the timer, as well as the title. Now, what's really important is we label the timer, because just take a note of the timer because we'll be referencing that inside of our script in just a second, as well as inside of our billboard called the live IMG. So we want it so that when the event is starting, instead of it saying offline, there's going to be a picture that says live. Pretty cool, right? So that's what we have in terms of the models, and what we want to go ahead and do, or what I want just to remind you guys, is that if you are creating this, just make sure that you guys label your things correctly, or else this will not work. Or it's just like that in any video that you guys watch. So just make sure you guys label everything correctly, and it doesn't have to be the exact same name. Just when you do reference it inside of our local script, you just have to reference it correctly with the correct name. Okay, so inside of starter player scripts, let's just go ahead and add a local script. Okay, so for our countdown timer, we want it to show the day, hour, minutes, and seconds. So that's what we're going to set for our form variable. And for our day, so I stream every Friday at 5:30 p.m. PST. So I'm going to go ahead and set the Friday to number 6. So the first day of the week starts on Sunday, so that's 0. Monday is 1. Tuesday is 2. Wednesday is 3. Thursday is 4. Friday is 5. Saturday is 6. And Sunday is 0. And then it just repeats. So we're going to go ahead and get the information of our day, the hours, the minutes, as well as our seconds. So we're going to go ahead and create a function to get the current time of our, of the day. And then we're going to go ahead and create a function to get the stream time. So since I start at 5:30 p.m. PST, we're going to go ahead and set the, we're going to go ahead and get the information of our stream time. Then for our third function, we're going to go ahead and create it so that it shows us how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds are left to our next live event. And it's going to do so by the days, hours, month, and second. So it's going to go ahead and set that as a string, and then we'll be placing that string inside of our, we'll be displaying that string text inside of our text label called timer. So we're going to go ahead and create a while wait do loop, and essentially we're just going to go ahead and set it so that our billboard with the live image, it'll show offline, and when the stream or live event countdown is reaches to the time that we set, then the image is going to go ahead and change to live. And then we're going to go ahead and change the text label of our timer so that it'll say streaming when the live event is ready. Cool. And that's it. And it is a really long script, so go ahead and pause this video to just, process this script. I'm actually going to go ahead and change the timer so that it starts in about a few minutes of the day that I'm actually creating this video, so that you guys can actually see it count down. So right now you'll see that I have about 50 seconds for the event to start. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the timer for you guys so that you guys can see that when my event starts, ta-da, it turns live. How cool is that? As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment, and a subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.